Hey, this is Sylvia Mordini. I've been teaching yoga for 20 years, and this is what I know. Every time a teacher at the beginning of class tells me to get whatever props that we may need for class, whether it's the props that are like the blocks, the yoga bricks, or straps, or a blanket, or even a bolster, and then they don't teach me how to actually use them during class. They just throw out a comment like, if you need your block right now in this pose, go ahead and use it. I'm like, I don't know what the intention is here. How do I use that block in this pose? So if you are a student, this is then an opportunity to ask questions after class, or honestly look at places like YouTube. Look at my YouTube with over 1,200 videos of how-to tutorials and learn how to use the props, especially if you're in situations where the teachers are not teaching you how to use them. And if you're a teacher, why must we rely on assuming that everybody in this class knows how to use these props? I know your intention is there. I know it's coming from a good place, but if you actually don't show people how to use them, then we will never know how to use them and what that intention was. So this was Yoga Speaks, and that's it for now. Peace out.